Uy, sports car. Ganda nito ah. Dami talaga magandang coach dito sa BGC. Pag-upo namin yan, lutuang itlog ko. Ito pala eh, Fire Tiger eh. Ano ba yan?
Hi.
Yung donut, may kagat. Guys, look, we have the same helmet. What are the odds of him having the same helmet as mine? Anyway guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna be going back to BGC. There is a KTM Father's Day special, so let's go check out that. They also have KTM test rides again, but I already did a test ride once, so I'm not really in the mood for test riding again. But let's see. How do you guys like the new setup? I have my new microphone now connected to my GoPro. Maybe the audio is much clearer. I haven't tried it on high speed yet. Sa mga high speed runs, di ko pa siya natatry. Maybe today we'll know. Nakakamiss mag-Duke. This is my first time, actually it's my second time again riding the Duke after days of using my other motorcycle, which is a scooter. I just use my scooter to commute daily because gas consumption is much cheaper on that motorcycle. Speaking of gas consumption, napagas na pala ako. Bago kong setup, medyo mabigat sa ulo. It's a little bit heavy on the helmet, especially in the front side. At okay na to, kasi hassle kasi mag-edit if isisync ko pa yung audio. Traffic eh, no? Sunday na Sunday. Sunday ba? Kaya pinili ko umalis ng Sunday para walang traffic eh. Ah, puta, mainit! Ah! Tagal na rin itong walang bayan. Itong Skyway stage, whatever entrance na to. Kaya ito magkakabayad. Para mamaya, baka mamaya wala akong load sa RFID, bigla silang mag-ano sa may bayad. Iyak tayo. Ang cute naman niya. Grabe siya. Pakagalang naman niya mag-direct ng traffic. Tama yan, kuya. So we are near BGC now, going again to Moto Street, possibly do a test ride. Test ride ends at 12 eh, but it's already 11 and we're still not there. 11:40 and we're still not there, so we might not be able to make it to the test ride. But again, nakapag-test ride na naman na ako. I'll just link the video there somewhere. You can watch my test ride video on KTM motorcycles. I'm not very a tech savvy person when it comes to motorcycles. I just want to feel it, to ride it, you know. Kahit Honda Click ko, tutuwa ako eh. Wala mo nang pakialam kung ilang cc yun eh. Basta masarap sa feeling, di ba? Lakas yung hatak, whatever, gano'n, di ba? Yun na naman ang mahalaga eh. Komportable eh. Uy, sports car. Ganda nito ah. Dami talaga magandang coach dito sa BGC. Ken, hindi man ako mahilig sa kotse or wala man ako alam sa kotse, pero pag maganda eh, na-appreciate ko rin naman kasi ang ganda eh. Saya dito, malibalas. Sarap talaga magmotor dito sa BGC. Malinis, walang masyadong kung ano-ano. American Cemetery, okay. Cemetery. Okay, kita na guys. Ayun na yung KTM. Ayun na yung KTM banners. Saan na entrance? Yeah. Wow. Uy, saan tayo? Ang cute nito. Okay. Dahil palang kailan dito eh. Ano? Paano yun?
Ang hirap po.
Bilad na bilad si Duke. GG. Pag-upo namin yan, luto ang itlog ko. Ito pala Fire Tiger Ano ba yan? First time ko lang gumala dito sa BGC.
Hi.
Yung donut, may kagat.
May kagat pala. Binigay kasi ni Kuya Free daw. May kagat pala.
Parang tira niya, no? Ito, nauubos eh.
Yeah.
Galing.
Welcome.
Yan, EK. Welcome.
Welcome.
Rialto Adventures.
Siya na naman.
Ha?
Siya na naman. Kapain.
Okay guys, we're gonna be going home now. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. If you wanna see more content like this, like vlogging, moto vlogging, some reviews, some sightseeing. Also, please check my other videos. I have a couple of videos in store.